What's up, guys? This is Cal at Penticton Diesel Performance. Today we have a first gen Cummins in here. Loss of power on the highway. Basically no start after he got in to the shop, and you can see he's got a brand new high pressure fuel pump. And what I discovered is that the fuel shutdown solenoid has failed, and the plunger is either stuck down or slightly open, and that's not letting enough fuel through. So we went and replaced that. And it's just located right down in here. Kind of see it there. Blue wire running to it. We fixed that portion. Then we just kind of decided to put a new lift pump in. His was weepy. You can see it down there. So we went and fixed that as well. And now all his power is restored, and he's going to be a happy camper. Thanks. Bye.